Mary McCullough had a question about Septoria. She wondered what are the best tomato varieties when you're dealing with Septoria, and what are the best defenses to use when it hits. Sounds like you've already discussed some of the strategies she could use if she's dealing with it. But what are some of the better varieties that?
Well, I mean, I think if you look at the seed catalogs, you don't see very many varieties that have resistance to Septoria leaf spot. It just doesn't, it's not out there. But the Mountaineer Pride has resistance, or what we call good tolerance to it. So the Mountaineer Pride, which is not widely available, I mean, a lot of commercial seed companies have not produced or have not sold this seed, but it is accessible to gardeners, would be a choice. Dr. Gallagher has been working very hard over many years to try to get varieties that are resistant to Septoria leaf spot and to late blight. So I think that's a step in the right direction. I've just perused the seed catalogs and see what they list as varieties that are resistant to it. I'm not aware of any that are. So it has to be managed from sort of a cultural standpoint, from how well you grow the tomato. And that's already mentioned earlier on the cultural practices.